All right, Christmas 2022, and my theme this year is gingerbread and candy cane everything. So, I wanted to share my haul with you from so many different places, and I will be detailing to you where I got everything from and show you some of the prices that I paid for them. So, I hope you enjoy this haul. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at If I Can I Should. So, we're going to start with Target. And here we have finally, I've been looking for these gingerbread garlands. I couldn't find them anywhere. And it's funny, my husband is the one who noticed them and goes, "Here, you're just throwing everything in the cart." And I'm like, hey, can't be greedy. So I didn't take all of them, but I was close. Anyway, check this out. I finally found also a lot of things, but this right here, I'm not going to use it, but it's cute to put as decor in the bathroom. And let's go on to the kitchen. So I loved. I only found one of these kitchen towels. And I mean, really, look at the saying. It's so true. I mean, that's all you want to do. And it was only, what, $5 for two of them. So I think that was such a great deal. I also found these little houses, which I plan to decorate, make a more, Candyland type of thing. And these two poor stragglers. I I don't even know how I found them. They were like laying under a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't see any more, and they were $1 each. So I went ahead and I grabbed those real quick because they couldn't stay behind. Anyways, also I found this little mini baking set for the kids, but it's not gonna be for kids. I'm using it for myself to try to make some gingerbread men with those cutouts using clay. So you'll see those in a future video or on my Instagram. And next up, we have Ross. So at Ross, I found these super cute cups to go. And of course, they're gingerbread men. And the price is pretty awesome. And even if I don't use them just for decor purposes, I had to pick them up. So if you see these things, grab them. I also found this at Ross, a cutting board, and it came with its own little spreading knife, and I think it was $8 or something, yeah. And I couldn't pass it up. There it is. Yeah, $8. I had to grab it. There was only one there, so couldn't leave them behind. I also found, I never do my bathroom. I never decorate my bathroom for Christmas, but because I found that I literally like ran into this shower curtain, I had no choice but to pick it up. So I grabbed it, and for the price, guys, come on. I couldn't leave it there. Plus, if it breaks or whatever, it's not that bad. Look how much I paid. Yep. Next up is Hobby Lobby. So I found all of these gingerbread ornaments. You got to be very careful with these. They come in a pack of 2, as you can see. If you bang them or drop them on the floor, they're going to break. But they're super, super cute. I'm already working on some of them. I would like to make these into my family, put people's names maybe, decorate them. We have some ornaments also from Hobby Lobby. This one is also super cute. But I noticed that these in particular are very delicate. So like you got to be careful about bending it. You got to be really, really careful with these because they'll break. But they're so cute. I had to pick them up. And here you'll see the pricing on it. But by the way, at this time when I bought it, everything Christmas at Hobby Lobby was 60% off. So I had to grab those. And these little miniature pieces that they sell are such a great deal, especially for like tier trays or even just to fill in your tree somewhere if you have an empty spot. But definitely worth grabbing, especially at 60% off. So let's keep going with gingerbread everything. And then the next thing I found was these peppermint picks. So I bought, I think it was like 16 of them. I think they were like $1 maybe each and 60% off. Oh, just missed those ornaments. Super cute too. Dollar General is next. And I got these cookie cutters as well. And these cute candy cane little ornaments for $1. So you can still find stuff for $1 out there. You don't have to just rely on Dollar Tree, guys. Also, this is actually a 2-pack of bags. I think of using my Cricut and putting some HTV on it, personalizing these bags for gifts, whether it's gift cards or small stuff. And of course, some real cookies, which you'll see I'm going to put these inside of a canister that I picked up. And that's coming up soon, if not right after here. This one thing is from Five Below. Loved it. I saw this T-shirt. Um, oh, oh, bite me. That was cute. But anyways, for I think it was $5.50 at Five Below. I couldn't pass it up. I had to grab it and collect it for my stash. So now we got at Walmart. And Walmart also, I found these, I think it was for 98 cents maybe. Also, these, I believe, maybe were $1. And 98 cents. Yeah. So I grabbed those two because they went with the whole color theme. And I found these cute little wood rounds. See what I'm going to do with that. And these also were 98 cents, if I'm not mistaken. And just sticking with the whole theme of candy and hot chocolate and red and white. So I picked up 3 of those. And now to Dollar Tree. Of course, they have these signs. It is reversible. And of course, I can choose either side because of the whole gingerbread thing. This is not gingerbread, but it's going to be part of my tree, making peppermints out of that. And this, I'm going to be wrapping it with some red and white twine. Now, also this, I'm going to put something in there. And I want to make marshmallows using these. I saw some other ladies doing it with this paint, puff paint sort of, kind of, they call it. And I am like really getting into it. But yeah, I found these at Dollar Tree as well. They also have some at Walmart. These are not gingerbread themed, but I couldn't believe it. It's my first time ever seeing these. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these gift sacks, and they're pretty large. The dimensions are right there for you. Yep, they have wrapping paper with gingerbreads on them. So I had to pick up these rolls. And usually I just use bags, but if it's like kids' toys, I will use wrapping paper. Again, no theme, but I will make it into one. And I bought like 3 packs or 4 packs of these gingerbread men. And these are awesome. Perfect. Hard to find, but they are perfect for my whole theme. And those are going on my tree maybe. Also, these little packets of gingerbread, they're actually stickers that you can peel it off the back. And these are super cute. I just opened them and it's easy. It's great crafting with the kids if you want to try with them, but even for yourself, it's cool. Now let's talk about these. These are so thin. So you're going to have to glue at least 2 or 3 of them so it can make a difference. But yeah, very thin material. This is one of my favorite finds. Definitely something new this year. These pillows. I cannot believe these pillows are $1.25. Well, I want to say pillows, but it's really the casing. You take out the filling from another pillow you have, fill it in there, and you can always take it out. It comes with a zipper, and that way it's easier. You can, take out the filling out of there and fold it up for next year. But this is what it looks like. And I'm still in shock of how cute these pillow covers are. And then I saw these little gingerbread men. They're so cute. Grab them while you can, if you're still lucky enough to find them. And we have our cutting board. Thinking of designing something. Another gingerbread themed item. Those are little minis. Thinking for cheer tray maybe. And also, this is not Christmas, but it was red, so I picked it up from Dollar Tree as well. And this is the canister that I'm going to be using to put those gingerbread cookies that I bought at Dollar General. But it was so cute, I could not pass it up. Here's a sign that has Gingerbread Man on it, as well as some peppermints on it, Candy Cane Lane. And I found this little house. You see those tiny little gingerbread man and woman? So that'll be for my tier tray as well. And then we have stickers. This is wall art. Of course, you will see more gingerbread in there, some hot cocoa. I'm not sure what to do with that yet, but gonna work on it. And then this is actually a pack of sticker or window clings, if I'm not mistaken. And on the other side, you have another set. So those are the puffier ones, which I think I'm going to use on the sign that I always update in my kitchen for, depending on what season it is. I try to update it as we go. But I think it was a great deal. You have like 2 sets of them. And of course, red pot holders. and mittens towels, and I'm gonna hopefully be using my Cricut very soon and decorating these. Peppermint again, I'm thinking either my tree, I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna do something with those. And these to me are new. I never noticed these before. These are new ornaments. I like the whole red and white. I'm gonna have to change some of the letters in the middle. I wish it was like a big gingerbread there in the middle for my theme, but we'll see what I'll do. But if not, I'll just paint over it and put our family's initials. You can always use those little mini trees for different things. Of course, snow. And I found these little pom-poms. Maybe I can decorate some of the gingerbread with them. And I was thinking about some of this paper to decorate with on the stick for the peppermint lollipops that I'm going to be making. Ribbon is always useful. And there is the rope I'm going to use to put around that styrofoam cone. And I bought one of these, see what I'm gonna do with that. So anyways, guys, this is my haul. Gingerbread this year. Hopefully you'll be seeing the rest of my stuff soon. Take care.